Healing and restoration. Hi, friends. Welcome back. Today, I'd like to share another short scripture based thought with you. You know, God doesn't just heal what is broken, He restores what has been lost. In the book of Joel, chapter 2, it says, I will restore to you the years that the swarming locust has eaten. Healing and restoration are not the same. Healing mends what has been wounded, and restoration gives new purpose to what was broken. God restores more than just our circumstances. He restores our hope, He restores our joy, and He restores our testimony. God's grace makes beauty from brokenness. God's desire is not only to help us recover, His desire is to restore what only He can redeem and bring beauty from ashes. Take care. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow.